Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the name and number. I have it set up already with following the specs here for the first name. As you can see, it is Roman in the sheet, but book is the same. So it's 15 on 19 and a half. The scaling is 175. The tracking is -5. Small caps, black fill. Okay. Last name is 75% tint, 28 on 19 and a half. Horizontal scale is 100. No tracking, small caps. And the first line indent on paragraph is 0.155. So it looks kind of a mess now, but that's okay. So now we're going to go with the numbers. I've got my special yellow. It's 36 on 19 and a half. Machine medium. Check the assignment. The medium machine weight is in the attached to the assignment. It's in the announcements that I put it there. The horizontal scale is 100. Tracking 0. Penguin gold fill. And the tab stop, it's a left justified at 1.375. Now remember, it's the box, so I'm just doing this separate from the card. So it's whatever that text box is. And if I do Command-Shift-T, and I have it in this line, I can do a left, and I'm just going to put it here and then type it in 375. Okay, so that's the tab. I'm not going to do the baseline shift just yet. And then if I go to the black numbers, 36 on 19 and a half, black fill, tab stop is going to be another left justified, and I'm going to type it in as 3472, hit center, and you can see it's starting to line up to look like that. But what do you notice? The gold is above Crosby, and it needs to be aligned with that. So that baseline shift applies to the gold and the blue and the black. So if I go to baseline shift for the gold, I can see it's just below the Y. So I'm going to shift that negative, wrong way, negative to about here. And then if I highlight the black and I shift it up, also, you need to change the leading to 6 points. That helps. 6 points. And now you're closer to what you need to do. And you can shift that down. Oop, wrong one. Once you have this on top of each other, it's very hard to see what you've got selected. So make sure it's see, that's the gold. So you almost need to go down. Here, let me undo a little bit here. Once you do that, it's very tough to get that to look right. So we're going to change this to 6 point first. And then we're going to do the baseline shift for the gold. And you can see the color highlighted so that I know I'm on the gold letter. And I'm going to shift it down. So it's down to about here, and then the black, you can see I'm selected, and now I can shift that up to be in line with the top of the Y. So it is tricky. Follow along. So I understand how it's a little confusing because they're trying to say here tab stop is a left justified, and it should be at 1.375, and then for the other one. So do all of this, change the leading to 6 point, then put in your baseline shift, and it'll work out.